One last question. How do you see the AI shaping or anything changing at all with AI? Are you already using? Are you planning on using in some aspect, or do you see, is it going to take away jobs? What's happening in your realm?
So my personal belief is that it's fascinating, it's amazing, um, but it doesn't replace a person, nor should it ever.
Right.
What our clients come to us for and hire us is because of us. And they could go down the street and hire the next firm, but they're coming here because of us. And so we don't want to remove the us from the process. The human has to remain in the process at all times because ChatGPT or Copilot lies really well. And we don't want to be following the lie, right? The fiction.
Right.
Um, and the value we add is in our experience and our thinking as humans about the design problem. Now, I think that the future is going to be harnessing it better than we have been. Right now, we're all using it as kind of an elaborate um, executive assistant. But I think the future is going to be maybe codifying our firm's way of designing an emergency department or codifying our way of designing, some other complex space, and then having it be a design assistant to us while we're doing our design work. That's where I'm hoping this takes us so that we can do better. We don't have to sketch like Doug. We don't need you to sketch um, 30 different parking lot layouts, right? Or 30 different ways to deal with a double loaded corridor, Justine, right? Let's have it iterate for us. And then
Right.
we can grade them, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Somewhat create templates that are make you work faster, but doesn't replace the value that you bring of the years of experience that you have, and then of course the human element of it. Um,
Mhm.
Yeah, it's a tool. Similarly, we were just talking about computers were a tool, and there was a worry from I don't know, the baby boomer generation that computers were going to replace or be a problem, and then there was the Y2K worry that computers were going to be a problem, and humans thought about it and overcame the challenge and utilized the
mhm.
tool to be more productive. And I strongly believe that's going to continue to happen.
The boomers did that, Doug.
Yeah, I
Well,
think any tool that allows us to do more of the human stuff is perfect. I think we need to be open to that and exploring that and leveraging that to the best of our ability. I think everyone in the design community is really curious about where that's headed. So yeah, and I think we're hopeful and excited about the future of that.
that we all are, right?